Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I guide you to send people your go wish list. Now if you want to send people your go wish list but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the go wish app on your device, and make sure that you have already logged in and created an account. So after that, you just need to open the go wish app. So this is the home page of go wish, where you will see various options in the bottom taskbar as well as various options in the upper taskbar. Now to send people your go wish, here you will see the option of your name, your wishes, your wish list and friends. So click on the option of wish list, or here you will see the option of my wish list. So click on it, and here you will see the wish list which you have, and at the very top you will see the option of share like icon, three dots and the plus like icon. So click on the option of share like icon like this, and here you will see the option of copy link, WhatsApp, Facebook, SMS, share via go wish, email, and all of the options. So you may simply copy the link like this, and you just need to go back to Messenger, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, anything you want to send the people you go wish, and you'll be able to send it like this. So that's it. That's how you can send people your go wish. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.